Hello friends, this is Sanket Padhya. So as you know, we start a current affair series and every day we upload a video on the YouTube channel and YouTube channel name Sanket Upadhyay. You can search on the search bar, then you find Sanket Upadhyay 393. So now we are talking about the current affair. Also we have a new current affair topic and it coming from the physics topic, quantum physics. Our scientist has find that if we get black holes part, any part of black holes named Marshalls, then we find quantum, then we find small level of quantum, small level of gravity. Then we do more research on this, on the gravity. How can work gravity on the small level. So these are the statement of the scientist because of the black hole is a densest particle of our earth which exists on our earth, which exists on our universe, not the earth. So what is the work of Marshalls? Marshalls is a part of, now we are talking about the Marshalls. Where is Marshalls? It is a tiny part of the black hole. If we get this, then we can find that how can work gravity at the smallest level. So it is the strengthen to the our scientist because of the at the point of, uh, at the point now we cannot find that gravity how can work on the smallest level. We can assume that gravity is a phenomena that earth is it decrease height of the any particular stone particular tool. So it is strengthened to our scientists as well as it is strengthened to our machinery because of gravity we can find how can work at the smallest level. So now we are talking about the Marshalls. What is Marshalls? It is a tiny part of the black hole. When when it right in the scientist term, tiny leftover fragment of black holes called black hole Marshalls. It works that it released gamma rays at the gamma, and through the gamma rays we can find that how can work gravity. So it released, this is released gamma rays. So it is also important for our because of the how can work gravity on the smallest level. We can find that. So now we are talking about the black hole. You can run black hole. Okay, sir. Black hole is the high densest particle of the universe, and small part of black hole are called Marshalls. If we get Marshalls, then we find that gravity how can work. And another one we are talking about gamma rays. What is gamma rays? So on this Marshalls, gamma rays time to time burst, and through the gamma rays we can find that gravity how can work on the smallest level. So this is extremely powerful energy explosion of the black hole. Then we get the Marshalls, and now we are talking about how can helpful for our GS paper. So it is also important for our GS paper 3 because of GS 3, and we are discussing about here quantum physics, quantum gravity. Because of this research is helpful for us because of the gravity, how can work on the smallest level. So it is related with the GS paper third. That's for today, and the next day I will back again. Thank you.